Hello students, welcome to your GK class. We have finished chapter 22, that was from Antarctica. Today we are going to start chapter number 23, which is about medicinal leaves. Okay, leaves of many plants and trees are used in the treatment of various diseases. See children, whenever we talk about the treatment, the Ayurveda, everyone knows in India, we believe that many parts of the trees are also useful in the treatment of various diseases. In this chapter, we are going to read about the leaves, how these leaves are useful in the treatment of various diseases. Okay, and there are the images of various leaves. You have to recognize there is an information about those leaves, and we have to take the use of the help box and choose the correct option. Fine. Okay. Its leaves are helpful in the treatment of bronchitis, cardiac disorder and asthma. The first picture is the leaves of drumstick, children. Write down the name. It's drumstick. Sehjan. You may have seen long sticks that are eaten. Okay. Drumstick. The second one, its leaves are useful in the treatment of common cold, and the answer to this will be cinnamon, dalchini. Okay, cinnamon. Now the third picture, as you can see, its leaves are useful in the treatment of toothache, and these are the leaves of kaju. Okay. The fourth one, its leaves are used to cure worms because it contains polyphenols, and the answer to this, you recognize these leaves na, the pan ka patta, beetle. In English we called it beetle. The fifth one, children, its leaves are helpful in the treatment of night blindness, and the leaves, of course, this also everyone recognizes, it's mango leaf. Okay, mango. The sixth answer, children, its leaves are useful in the treatment of ringworm and eczema. These are the skin problems, okay, skin disease, and the answer to this is balsam. It's also known as touch me not because this flower is extremely delicate. Fine. The seventh one, children, its leaves are useful in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis, and the answer to this is sesame. Till. Okay, sesame. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of cough and diarrhea, and the answer to this is bitter gourd. You can even see the vegetable here, na, the bitter gourd, karela. The leaf is bitter gourd leaf. Now the ninth one, children, its leaves are useful in treating eczema. Again, you can go for eucalyptus. Okay, eczema is also treated by balsam as well as eucalyptus. Fine. The last one, the 10th one, its leaves are useful in treating mumps, and the answer to this will be mustard. Mustard. Stop, check and go, we have already done. Okay, so and this IQ challenge, I prefer you do it on your own. Okay. Both the pages, you try to find out the answers, and I'll tell you the answers, but after you do this on your own. Come to page number 43. It's quiz 1, chapter number 26. Where is the biggest Buddhist temple in the world located? Okay, you have three options: Java, Indonesia; Agra, India; and Cairo, Egypt. And the correct answer, the biggest Buddhist temple in the world is located in Java, Indonesia. The first option is correct, Java, Indonesia. Second statement, which among the following was discovered by Christopher Columbus? Everyone knows now, the three options are America, India and Australia. Of course, America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. America, option number A is correct. The third question, what is the name of the place where Jesus was crucified? Everyone knows Lord Jesus was crucified, and you have to tell the name of the place, and the name of that place is Golgotha. Golgotha is the name of the place where Lord Jesus was crucified. It's not Gotham, it's not Jerusalem, it's Golgotha. Option number A. Fourth question, children. The wonder of the world, Christ the Redeemer statue is located in which country? And the answer to this is Brazil. Argentina and Peru are incorrect. The correct option is option number B, Brazil. Fifth question. Where is the Great Barrier Reef of Coral found? Where is the Great Barrier Reef of Coral found? The three options are Thailand, Indonesia, Australia. The correct option is option number C, Australia. Option number C, the Great Barrier Reef of Coral is found in Australia. Okay. Now the next one. Which is the tallest church in the world? Our Lady of Peace Basilica? No. And then Cologne Cathedral? No. The correct answer is Cathedral. Cathedral, option number C. The tallest church in the world is Cathedral. London, the capital of the UK, is situated on the banks of which river? The correct option is Thames. Thames is the river where London is situated, on the bank of river Thames. As we have here the holy river Ganga, these Britishers have this holy river Thames. Okay. Which sculptor designed the Statue of Liberty? It was a French sculptor, children, and the name is Frederic Auguste Bartholdi. Okay, it's a French name, Bartholdi. Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, that is option number B is the correct option. Frederic Auguste Bartholdi. The ninth question is, in which city are the headquarters of International Monetary Fund situated? In which city are the headquarters of International Monetary Fund situated? The answer is option number C, Washington DC. Option number C, Washington DC. Fine. The 10th question now. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Statue of Liberty, Statue of Unity, or Christ the Redeemer? The correct answer is the tallest statue in the world is the Statue of Unity. Option number B. Option number B, Statue of Unity. Okay. Now the 11th question we have. Which is the biggest wall in the world? Biggest wall, everyone knows that, na? The Great Wall of China is the correct answer. Option number A, Great Wall of China. Then you have, name the largest Hindu temple in term of area. In the term of area, you have to tell the largest Hindu temple, and the correct answer to this is Angkor Wat. Option number A, Angkor Wat. After this, we have Nothing Stopped Them. Chapter number 27, Nothing Stopped Them. It means their achievement is quite extraordinary. Their circumstances were not normal. Their physique maybe was not normal. Yet, they worked hard and proved themselves. Okay, they worked hard and gained a special place in the world, and now the world knows their names. That is why nothing stopped them. Their physical disabilities, anything that was lacking, nothing stopped them, and they achieved a great success in their life. Okay, it is great achievement for anyone to perform extraordinary acts, but it is even more so when this is done despite being specially able. You don't use the word disabled now, it's specially abled. This is the term that is used nowadays, children. Handicapped and disabled, all these words are not to be used now. And especially able means when you suppose have anything maybe missing, okay, as far as the physical thing is concerned, and it is true that no one can stop the person who has the ability to act on what he or she wishes to achieve. And here we have a whole lot of description, children, about these a few people who were specially able and they gained success in their life. We'll read about it in our next class, children. Till then, take care. Thank you.